Hi guys, this is Sakina, fashion designer in Paris. Tonight I'm gonna be on the red carpet of Cannes Film Festival, which is the most iconic fashion event. And Nora Kourkis is doing my hair for tonight.
I'm gonna teach you how you do this look step by step.
Yes!
First, I start to brush the hair to make it smooth. And now I'm making 3 sections on the hair. Because Sakina have baby hair, I make it straight first. Now I'm starting to curl her hair with a straightener because it's a more long-lasting effect. When you're doing the curls, always take your finger and swipe it around. Curl the hair like this, away from the face. Then you ask the client if she wants it to the right or to the left. I'm back combing the hair to give volume. I'm using hairspray on the roots. And now I'm starting to brush the hair and style it. I comb the hair on the wrong side to get more volume. The pins will hold the shape of the curves. Then I take the pins out and define it with a hairspray. Then I'm using hair oil to make a glossy finish. And now she's fabulous! This is the final look. Did you guys love it?
I love my waves and I'm so ready for the red carpet. So guys, don't forget to give us your feedback in the comment section and subscribe to our channel.
Yay!
Thanks for the hair.
You're welcome.
Like this. Wait, first
I make 3 sections in the hair. Great.
close to the lips or?
Dizzy!
Yeah, it's a lot of hairspray. Oh my god.